Highway surveyors play a crucial role in the development and maintenance of road infrastructure. Ahamedpur Chauroli, a small town in India, is no exception to this. The presence of dedicated highway surveyors in Ahamedpur Chauroli ensures that the roads are constructed and maintained to meet the highest standards. These professionals are responsible for conducting surveys, analyzing data, and designing road layouts that are safe and efficient for both motorists and pedestrians. The job of highway surveyors in Ahamedpur Chauroli begins with conducting detailed surveys of the proposed road sites. They use sophisticated equipment such as total stations and GPS devices to accurately measure distances, angles, and elevations. This data is then analyzed to determine the best route for the highway, taking into consideration factors such as terrain, existing infrastructure, and environmental impact. Once the survey is complete, the highway surveyors in Ahamedpur Chauroli proceed with the design phase. This involves creating detailed plans and drawings that outline the specifications for the road construction. They consider various aspects such as lane width, signage placement, and intersection design to ensure optimal traffic flow and safety. The use of advanced software enables them to create 3D models and simulations, allowing for better visualization of the final project. Highway surveyors in Ahamedpur Chauroli also play a crucial role in ensuring that the construction process adheres to the approved plans and specifications. They monitor the progress of construction activities, conduct quality control checks, and resolve any issues that may arise during the project. Their contributions are essential for the growth and progress of Ahamedpur Chauroli's infrastructure. Highway surveyors are essential to the construction and upkeep of road infrastructure. This is also true of the Indian town of Ahamedpur Chauroli. In Ahamedpur Chauroli, the availability of specialized highway surveyors guarantees that the roads are built and maintained to the highest standards. These experts are in charge of gathering information, interpreting it, and creating efficient and safe road designs for both drivers and pedestrians. Highway surveyors in Ahamedpur Chauroli start their work by performing thorough surveys of the potential route sites. To precisely measure distances, angles, and elevations, they employ high-tech tools like total stations and GPS units. The ideal path for the highway is then determined using this data, taking into account things like the topography, existing infrastructure, and environmental impact. The highway surveyors in Ahamedpur Chauroli go on to the design stage after the survey is finished. This entails producing thorough plans and illustrations that specify the requirements for the road development. To ensure the best traffic flow and safety, they take into account a number of factors, such as lane width, signpost placement, and intersection design. They can develop 3D models and simulations thanks to the usage of sophisticated software, which improves the final project's visualization. Highway surveyors in Ahamedpur Chauroli are essential in making sure